It is 7:20, our earliest start in a while. Our plan today is to hit 20 miles. We do 20 miles today, 20 miles tomorrow. Then that'll put us in to the campsite where we're meeting Barry around 2 to 4 in the afternoon on Wednesday, which will be perfect. It's a beautiful morning so far. It is 7:20, our earliest start in a while. Our plan today is to hit 20 miles. We do 20 miles today, 20 miles tomorrow. Then that'll put us in to the campsite where we're meeting Barry around 2 to 4 in the afternoon on Wednesday, which will be perfect. It's a beautiful morning so far. A lot of smoke out this morning. Possibly mixed with fog, but we were pretty sure it's smoke.
How many days now?
Yeah, I smell kind of some smoky. Only reason why I think it might be fog is because we did get some rain last night, just a little bit, like a sprinkle. Which hopefully the fire got a sprinkle too. Oh man, it's kind of cool looking though. Oh, another reason I think it might be fog is because it's kind of hugging the ground a little bit. Either way, there's definitely smoke in the air because I can smell it. Oh man. Guess we'll see. Well, anyone want to go on a black diamond? It's kind of cool. Minus all the smoke, of course. But yeah, nice little ski area up here. Looks fun. What? Well, this sign has seen better days.
Yeah, I'd say so.
We're almost to our lunch spot for the day. We've come like 10, 11 miles. We're doing pretty good. Good job, baby cakes.
Good job.
It's a beautiful day, but it's sunny and hot.
It's very hot.
The smoke has cleared up a little bit, but not completely. Just depends on like the minute, I guess. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Except for this sign. This sign's ugly.
What sign? What did it ever do to you?
Granite Chief Wilderness. Well, it's not a very good sign. Very interesting. We're walking into a storm. We are in the middle of nowhere. At least it feels like it.
You're ski lift.
Where are your ski lifts? All right. Man, that thunder right now is crazy.
Look at the thunder now.
Wait, look at the camera real quick. I'm testing out this mic. How does this sound?
I don't know. I can't hear it.
Well, I'm asking the people.
No, I know.
Can you hear that airplane right now? If you can, let me know.
Let me know. I am press play.
Do you think audio quality is better or worse?
Probably better.
All right, well, let's find out. I've been carrying this damn microphone the entire trip so far. I made it almost halfway. I haven't once used it. Let's see how the footsteps sound. What do you think? Should I use it? This is a test. It'd be more difficult, but it can be done.
Well, I'm waiting for you to press play. So.
All right. It's a beautiful spot. Alrighty. What a beautiful place. Feels like we're in the middle of nowhere right now. And we kind of are. I absolutely love this section. Looks like it might rain soon. Very dark. But maybe that's a good thing. Put out all these damn fires. It's a beautiful day, beautiful evening. I hope you heard that. All right. The next one. I really hope this microphone can pick up that thunder. And some raindrops on the ground. Just sprinkling so far. Alright, sadly we're getting some pretty crazy thunder and lightning. Started raining quite a bit. So we decided that we did not want to go up this hill where there's probably no trees and get struck by lightning. And we decided to set up our tent and protect ourselves against the water. Megan says if it clears up that she promises she'll night hike with me.
Obviously, I go with you. Where would I go?
She said that she wanted to. She even says that she was going to suggest it.
Well, good.
So hopefully it clears up pretty quick here. But just in case it gets a hell of a lot worse, which we're afraid it might, we got everything set up. Puts us a little bit behind trying to get to Barry. I think we've come like 15 miles a day, which is deeply unfortunate. But it's still really early, so hopefully this rain stops. We're under all these trees, which is nice, but it's raining much harder out here. See if you can hear it. I really wish I'd get some lightning and thunder for you guys, but it only happens when I turn off the camera. Beautiful spot. Well protected too, which is nice. Alright, so we're still in the tent. We are remaining where we set up earlier. It's been raining off and on. Some crazy thunder and lightning still. Is pretty crazy. It's kind of calmer now. Even though Megan promised me that she would night hike.
You're the one that said, yeah, I'm happy we're not hiking in this, blah, 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 blah.
Well, we decided that we're going to just wake up early tomorrow and we're going to try to do a 24, 25 mile day. Because we need to start doing 24 mile days after Barrett drops us off at Lassen to get around Dixie Fire.
Finish
early. So our new goal is to finish late September sometime. But in order to do that, we have to do average 20 miles a day. And hopefully our plan is to do like 22 to 24 a day. That way we could take a decent rest/0 every 5 days.
Yes.
Well, on the 6th day, every 6th day. So
yeah,
we'll see how that works out. Tomorrow will be a test on that. I think we should be able to do it, no problem. But Megan says to pray for her.
Pray for me.
But yeah, life is good. We love it out here. Or at least I love it out here. I can't speak for Megan.
I am a talking candy cane. I like it out here. Of course I love it out here. Why wouldn't I?
Good. See, we love it out here.
Just because I miss home doesn't mean I don't like it out here.
No, understood. I miss home too. I miss my bed.
That's it.
Well, I miss lots of things about home. Miss you, Mom, Dad. Thank you. The whole family. You know, Uncle Brett, Uncle Ben, you know, Aunt Nanette, she commented on one of my videos. You know, Uncle Brett commented a couple times as well. You know, Uncle Richard, shout out. Got you. So, thank you to everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Good night now.
Family.
Hopefully,
good night.
If I can, I'll try to film some crazy lightning and thunder.
Thunder. Feel the thunder.
All right.